Mistakes are ubiquitous. Error is always with us. The whole purpose of creating new knowledge is to correct errors. We cannot have certainty about anything, ever. But at the same time, this does not mean that all claims to truth are on equal footing. Relativism, the idea that all claims to truth are equal, so everyone's opinion has equal value, is false. Science, mathematics, philosophy and morality uncover objective truth about reality. It's just that objective truth does not mean what most people think it means. If something is objectively true, this does not mean it is certainly true. Now let's pause for a moment. If I'm certain, what does that mean? Well, it just means I feel some way. I feel certain. Certainty is an emotion. It's a feeling you get, or at least a feeling that some people seem to want to have. But it's a feeling. The feeling that you are definitely, without a doubt, correct. And that is no guarantee that you are. You should have doubts. Doubt is good. Someone without doubt is dogmatic, and dogmatism only ever leads to evil. Do you remember a time when you were certain that through any 2 points only a single line could be drawn? Perhaps you still are, depending upon how much maths you remember. So try now. Draw 2 random points anywhere on a piece of paper. And then try and draw a straight line through those points. It appears only one is possible. Have you tried? Well, think a bit. Even though it's said only one line could be drawn through these 2 points, and indeed Euclid, who laid down the foundations of our mathematical understanding of geometry, provided a rock-solid mathematical proof. And this is what you were taught in high school geometry class. A unique straight line through 2 points. So there's a proof, but are you certain of so simple a truth? Most people are certain, at least for some time, that only one such straight line can be drawn. But now, if we take our 2 points and we bend our piece of paper, suddenly, through those 2 points, more straight lines can be drawn. Your prior certainty is undermined by a simple change of perspective. But maybe you've got objections now. You still refuse to accept this. That's cheating, you might say, or the line is bent. Those weren't in the rules. But the point here is you might have a doubt now. And should you doubt it? Did you misunderstand the instruction as I first posed it to draw a straight line through those 2 points? Could I have phrased it in such a way as to not be misunderstood by you? Well, Karl Popper once said, "It is impossible to speak in such a way that you cannot be misunderstood." And so it is with all knowledge. We always have doubts. We can always misunderstand. And we can never be certain.